Hi. It's June, well, for me, it's still June 11th, but it's June 12th because it's past midnight Central Standard Time. 2016. I just got off work and it's hot outside, and it's hot in my house. So, I'm dressing comfortably. All right, let's take a look at what is going on with the weather. National Weather Service says 73, but it's really humid and it's foggy and it feels hot. It feels hot in the house, hotter than that. But this is what's interesting, hazardous weather outlook. So, for where I live, a strong cold front accelerating down Lake Michigan will produce northeast wind gusts of 25 to 35 miles per hour over Lake counties this evening. I would like to feel that. And then there will be a chance of thunderstorms from tomorrow night through Thursday. Intriguing. So the radar isn't showing a lot of action in my area, but this looks a little wicked up here. Kind of looks like butterfly wings or Batman eyes, doesn't it? Let's look at that just a little closer for the heck of it. Look at that. Let's move it over just a little and down. See, this is one radar facility. This is a circle. Here's another one, center of which I believe this one is right about in here. This one right about here. That's a wide range for a radar. But look at that right there. That doesn't look good for those folks there. Let's take a look at someplace else. So I wonder what's going on there. Oh, what do you know? Excuse me. That isn't what I wanted. Okay, here's what I wanted. Let's look on IntelliCast. Possible hail detected. Strong cell. It's in that area. Well, as long as we're looking. Oh, it's weird how it's reacting slow. And just see where the earthquakes have been happening. This was kind of a lot over here earlier. Several earthquakes in that area. Some of them have gone away now on this link. And some smaller ones over here. This one. It's a little bit bigger. Okay. Let's see what else is that. Okay, so this is another one of my favorite websites, RSOE. It's kind of limited, but yeah, at the same time lets us know a lot. All these little shapes are symbols of stuff such as forest fire, biological hazard, drought, biological hazard, heat wave. Okay, and then if we go down, current emergencies 3 days ago, 6 days ago, fires in the USA, extreme weather in Australia, short time events, extreme weather in China. And you can click on this little eyeball thing and then go up to the description box here. Torrential rain has disrupted lives of 29,000 people since Thursday, leaving 5 missing in southeast China Guizhou province, authorities said Sunday. Rainstorms hit 8 counties or cities in the province, forcing nearly 4,000 residents to temporarily relocate as of Saturday. All right, rain has been a big deal in Europe and now in China tonight. Okay, so I looked for an article about this in China because I wanted to show you some pictures, but I didn't find that. Instead, I found this. Earth changes and the pole shift. China lingering drought. This is from 2013. Excuse me. So here's a little map. This was written in May 8th, 2013, which is like 3 years ago. And they're talking, this is like one way that they're trying to fight off the drought. Down here lower, it says what used to be the center of a lake, wild grass now grows. They're talking about a drought that lasted there for like 4 years. And we know that China is involved in weather modification. Here is people suffering drinking water shortages. So maybe what we're listening to here is part of how they're dealing with the drought and just trying to figure out how to get it without, of course, having flooding. I think they're trying to do that all around the world, or maybe they're purposely trying to flood people. I don't know. Well, then I also found this, and I've never seen this website before. It says Richard Allen's website, which appears to be a link to somewhere else. This talks about Global Hazards Weekly Bulletin. Australia. Queensland's weather flooding hits Brisbane as extreme weather moves south through state. And then all these countries. And all this other information. And the link for this will be below. Holy cow, this is great. And it goes on. Oh, this is for each. This is great. It's divided into sections. Holy cow. Let's see how far down we go. To last year. Fabulous. Okay, I'm going back up. Sorry. Let's see what this is, just for the heck of it. Aha! Richard Allen, professor of climate science at the Department of Meteorology, part of the University of Reading with affiliation to NCAS Climate, NCEO, and the Walker Institute. Okay, so there will be a link for him below too. Here's just one of the links that I clicked on. France flooding death toll rises. A picture, a video. Look at this. So the whole article is here. Those links are very interesting. This, I thought, seemed kind of funny, so I'm going to click on that too. Stephen Hawking weighs in on Donald Trump. I mean, I have no idea what he's going to say, so I would like to guess that an intelligent person is going to say that it's all a bunch of hooey, but, you know, who knows? Let's see. Hopefully it won't take forever to load this thing. Yeah. Oh, good, a commercial. Let me stop it for a minute.
Of Donald Trump.
Okay, wait, let's start this again.
Well, how do you explain the phenomenon of Donald Trump?
I can't. He is a demagogue who seems to appeal to the lowest common denominator.
What do you consider to be the gravest threat to the planet, and why?
An asteroid collision would be something against which we have no defense. But the last asteroid collision was 70 million years ago and killed the dinosaurs. A more immediate danger is runaway climate change. A rise in ocean temperature would melt the ice caps and cause a release of large amounts of carbon dioxide from the ocean floor.
Well, there it is. So here's another report of a drought, but it's in South Africa. 8 states. And this 8 provinces have declared states of disaster because of ongoing drought. So not good. We've got flooding in so many places and then a drought here. Somebody is so screwing up on the weather. They just don't have it right at all. So here's a little video.
Trapped in an isolated puddle, fish in the Theewaterskloof Dam struggle in vain. Around them, the largest of 5 major dams supplying water to Cape Town has dwindled to around 30% of capacity, and it's unlikely the rain will come in time for them.
Normally at winter, the water is at this level above the tires on the green wall after a good winter rainfall. You can see what's happened now. The dam has receded, and you will see the red and port and green markers. That was the skiing lane, which is now impossible due to the dam having dropped. If we have last year's winter rainfall, the dam will not go to full capacity. It obviously will improve, but not up to where it was a year ago.
Despite water restrictions and the arrival of winter rains, dams remain perilously empty. But the city of Cape Town says it's not time to panic. We've been here before, in 2004.
It's not unprecedented. We know when in operating dams that there are going to be good years and there's also going to be dry years. So we just
Okay,
happen
so
to
I'm
be
going
in
to
a
stop. So since that was all kind of boring, I'm just going to end it with the astronomy picture of the day. Now this link, which will be the last one, will have a different picture every day. And this is one of those bizarre looking clouds. A roll cloud over Uruguay. What kind of a cloud is this? And then you can read about it here. And then tomorrow they're supposed to have unexpected dimmings. So the link for this will be below. That is really bizarre. I have seen that kind of cloud. And actually I was with some of my grandchildren and it totally freaked them out. Alright, blessings to you. And have a fabulous, whatever it is you're doing. Bye-bye.